Vanakkam Makkale, இது உங்கள் பாசத்துக்குரிய மெட்ராஸ் மோட்டார் மண்டையன். Today we are going to Coorg from Vadagara. We'll be going to Mahe, Talaseri, Kannur. In Coorg we'll be staying in a monastery. There are a lot of Tibetan monasteries and we have figured out one which has about 60 rooms. Kannur to Bangalore is considered to be a really good route for motorcycle rides. We're going to be splitting that into two. We'll be going from Kannur to Coorg and then from Coorg to Bangalore. In Coorg we'll also be staying there for 2 nights, meaning one entire day we would be visiting the Golden Temple, monasteries, Madikeri. There is one subscriber from Madikeri who wanted to meet me. I think so I'll be meeting him. He'll be showing us the places as well. So that is pretty much it. Now let's get rolling. We've reached Mahe. Here the main reason why we came here is because fuel is cheap. Extra premium is only 71 here. And the normal fuel is about 67.8, so 68. We will fill our tanks here and then the next stop is going to be about 21 kilometers to the drive-in beach directly. We've been on the road for almost 6 days and time flies. We can't believe that 6 days are over. We've been having a really good time. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos as well. The driving here is crazy. People do not care. It's chaotic. Just one word, it's chaotic. You gotta be really careful when you're riding. Let the selfie shot begin.
And if you come up at my small town, hope you know I did it first. No hate to those before me, I just really made it work. No one put me on, barely down to let me open. Now I'm every day getting closer to my moment. Don't you get it twisted, road I took was never golden. Shit was frozen, I was slip sliding steady through emotions. Gave my heart to passion, even after passion broke it, that's real. Don't change, don't change, don't change. Even though life ain't the same. Say, don't change, don't change, don't change. Life gon' make it happen anyway. And I say, don't change, don't change, don't change. Even though life ain't the same. Say, don't change, don't change, don't change. But no matter what you do, gonna happen anyway. It gon' happen anyway. It gon' happen anyway. Hey, way, hey, oh. And I say don't change, don't change, don't change. Even though life ain't the same. And they say don't change, don't change, don't change. Life gon' make it happen anyway. And I say don't change, don't change, don't change. Even though life ain't the same. And they say don't change, don't change, don't change. But no matter what you do, it gon' happen anyway. Oh, oh, oh. It gon' happen anyway. Oh, oh, oh. It gon' happen anyway. Oh, oh, oh. It gon' happen anyway. Oh, 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 oh. Don't change, don't change, don't change. Even though life ain't the same. Say, don't change, don't change, don't change. Life gon' make it happen anyway. I say, don't change, don't change, don't change. Even though life ain't the same. They say, don't change, don't change, don't change. But no matter what you do, gonna happen anyway. My whole life is on a rise. Shit I wrote down, I'm seeing with my eyes. There's some shit I used to dream about, but I was plotting with the team about. Shout to all my friends that saw the magic in my vision. The ones who let the kid know they still riding with him. So put your seatbelts on, we about to take off. Got the word from ground control, time for liftoff.